Hmm. This is for you. If you started learning the German language and you felt like, I can't do this, I just don't understand, then this is for you. Most beginners waste their first 3 months on random things, vocabulary lists, grammar rules, जो कभी समझ नहीं आती. You just don't understand them. और फिर give up कर देते हैं. They just give up. Because nobody told them the three things they should actually do when they start learning German. Hi, I'm Kamakshi. I'm a certified German language trainer and I've been teaching Indian learners German since last 5 years. And today I'll tell you those three things that I've been teaching my students on the day one. So today we'll cover three things. Number one, German sentence structure that is completely different from Hindi. Number two, der, die, das, but with a simple trick. And number three, a simple pronunciation rule that will change how you pronounce German. The very basic problem that every Indian learner feels, that I believe, is that they try to form the sentence the same way they have been framing from years in Hindi and English. And German just doesn't works the same way. It's different. And the difference is that in German, the verb is always on second position. It is the verb second rule. There's no exception to it. Never. The verb will always come on second position in a sentence. Now we'll come to the second rule. Obviously, the most confusing one. Der, die, das. Three different the. हमने तो एक ही पढ़ा था. Why did Germany decided to have three? So basically it's that in German you have gender assigned to each noun. So they have three different genders: der, die, and das. So at times it does sounds illogical because the bifurcation says masculine, feminine, and neutral, and then we have das Mädchen, meaning the girl. लॉजिक नहीं है बट रूल्स हैं. Show you one simple shortcut which works in 70% of the cases. So they'll be appearing on the screen and you can just screenshot them or note them for later. So whenever you just see these endings, you can just guess the article. So there's no need for rectification. Initially, even 70% accuracy is better than perfection. You don't have to sound perfect. You just need to sound accurate. And to add to it, never learn a word alone. I mean, never. For example, if you're learning the word Wohnung, so don't just write Wohnung, write die Wohnung. Always learn the word with its article and it will solve your maximum of the problem. Now quickly moving to the third and the last, the pronunciation. Like I'll tell you one rule that Indian students always mess up with. For example, today the pronunciation of the letter W. In English, the W sounds like verb, water, window. But in German, the W sound is like the English V. Like they are not saying Wasser, they are saying Wasser. They are not saying Wohnung, they are saying Wohnung. They are not saying Wie geht es Ihnen, they are saying Wie geht es Ihnen. English V is equals to the pronunciation of German W. So Wasser, Wohnung, V. Today I'll teach you one more pronunciation, the letter R. हिंदी में आर क्लियरली बोलते हैं बट जर्मन में आर थ्रोट से आता है लाइक थोड़ा गार्गल जैसा. रॉट, रेड, जैसे रेस्टोरेंट, वीडर. सो द आर इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द थ्रोट लाइक द इट इज नॉट ऐसे बहुत ज्यादा फोकस करना है, बहुत ज्यादा एम्फेसाइज करना है, बहुत लाइट सी प्यारी सी साउंड है. रॉट, वीडर. So today we learned three simple rules. First, that verb always comes on position number 2. Second, we learned a simple trick to remember der, die, and das. And third, we learned the pronunciation for letters W and R. And in my next video, I'll be teaching you top 20 German verbs that are highly usable and useful in EU. And I won't teach you them alone in isolation. I'll teach you them with sentences so that you can retain them. You can learn them. Like not for weeks, for months. So just in case you found the video helpful, kindly subscribe, press the bell icon so that you don't miss my next video. If it's genuinely useful to you, just write German vibe in the comment section so that I get to know, yes, the video has reached the right people who actually needed it. Cheers!